Hey guys, welcome to my new channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a Shopify account and how to create your first dropshipping website. And this tutorial is going to be free, like no money spent on it, because you're going to use a free trial at first, and advertising can be done free as well. So what you want to do first is go to Shopify and create a free trial. You click start a free trial, add in your email, password, and your store name. You can create a new email for your store, but you can use your personal one as well. But what I recommend doing is creating a new email. So after you create your store, so you need your store name, create your store, then you will end up at the home page here. So once you're at the home page, you have your index on the left hand side, your navigation, then here's where you can manage your account, manage your stores if you decide to have multiple stores, and here's just the home page really. So what we're first going to do, we're going to quickly create a Shopify website. This is going to take not even 10 minutes. It's going to be really quick, and it's very effective as well. So what you guys are wanting to do is click online store, and then once it's loaded, it'll show you a current theme which your store is on right now. My theme before was Dawn, but I didn't like the theme, so I just explored some free themes and I chose Debut because that's the one I'm most comfortable with and have been using for a while now. So you click customize and you're taken to your website, and I've already done a bit of work on this website, so I'll go through it again. So alright, so now I've defaulted everything to how it was. I'll just take you through what we want to see. So what we look for in a website is easy navigation and something that's eye-catching. So a website that has all this stuff, all this mumbo jumbo, it's not that pleasing to the eye really, and you'd be bored if you see all this. Like, who wants all these like paragraphs, and they need to read too much. What people want is easy, quick, and fast. So you want to see something you like, read it, buy it, and then yeah. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna get rid of some things that we don't need. So what I mainly do with my Shopify stores, I get rid of the text over there with the image overlay. Then I get rid of these columns with images. I keep the featured collection because that's a really important one. Get rid of this, testimonials we don't need, and gallery we don't need. So something like this, very simple, easy, and yeah. So next what we're going to want to do is customize our banner. So when we're customizing our banner, you have like a selection of how big you want your banner to be. It comes as a default as large, and this will be the size of your banner. For me, I think that is way too big and covers up majority of your website, like your store. So what I like to do is keep it small. Small works well. Takes up like a quarter of the website, and it looks good as well. So then what you want to do is select an image. They have free images here on Shopify. You can just look up what you want. I just looked up ocean because my store is called A Safe Planet. So something that's appealing to that category of people. You can pick whatever image you want here. I just picked this ocean one right here. Click it, select, then it pops up here. For A Safe Planet, that's what I put. And then we sell eco-friendly products as we are trying to make an impact in this day and age. That's my description there. And then we will move on to getting our products now. So under the featured collection, we go here, and then you can see that you need to add a collection. You can change whichever collection you have, and by default Shopify creates a homepage collection for you, so that will show up on the homepage. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how you import your products onto Shopify. So first thing we do before we go to AliExpress is we go to our home screen, we go to navigation and click on apps here. Once you click on apps, you want to customize your store. And there's a specific app which we all need in Shopify. It's called Aberlo. You want to download this app, and then you click add app. Since I already have it there, I don't need to click it. And once you're in Aberlo, what you need to do is sign in with the same account you created the Shopify store in. So you want to sign in with the same email, and then it'll connect. So once you have that, go into AliExpress and create an account as well. Create an account with the same email, and then Aberlo, once you refresh the page, will connect AliExpress and Aberlo, so you can import whatever item you want straight from AliExpress to Aberlo. So since I've already done 2 products on my store, eco-friendly glass straws and eco-friendly bamboo toothbrushes, we will look at a new item. And what we can see here are some bottles. They are very popular here. Metal straws. I think I'll go with like a reusable bottle. One of these flasks. Yep. Sports bottle. Alright, cool. So exit out of that and we'll click add to Aberlo right here. Then it imports it to Aberlo. Adding to import list. And then you'd want to open the import list. And then it comes up here. Alright, so over here what you want to do, you want to edit how your product is going to show up on your website. So I would put the title as eco-friendly sports eco-friendly water bottle. We don't want to just keep it as a sports water bottle. Get rid of that. And then when you click on variants, you have all your different colors and types of bottles you can choose here. There are a few variants. You have 18 variants and they're all selected. Now pricing is one of the more important parts of importing your products in. So on your left hand side you have the variant, so which product it is. Then you have the cost of it right there. Then you have the shipping for it as well. So far it's $0 for shipping, and then that's the cost. That's what you're buying it at. So what you have here is the price which you're gonna sell at. So far I've been going on like medium to like large margins, but I haven't been going too crazy. So we'll put it at $34.99. That's a good margin. So a profit of $17. Yep. And then the compare price over here is what's going to show up on your store. So you'll have $34.99 as the price you can buy it for now, and then it'll have, you can put it as $59.99. That you can say that it's on sale from $59.99. So it was at $59.99. Now it's at $34.99. Alright, so it's more like a $25 discount. So you can get rid of that. Okay, so then you go into the description. Now this is where you can this is very easy to do. You just get rid of some of this, and you can call that drinkware type. It's a water bottle, eco-friendly. Oh. Eco-friendly. You don't need the model number. Water flow method. Some people might want that. Anti-corrosion. Yep. Need that. 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 Bottle. Yeah. There we are. That's all we need really in the description. Then you can select whatever images you want. There's some really good ones here as well. Cool. Then you click import to store. Once you click import, it's going to be imported to our Shopify. We go to our Shopify, click on products, and it's right there. So as I talked about before, our featured collection, our homepage is selected for this one, for this page. What we do, go into products, then we click collections. Once we click on collections, we click homepage here. Then once we do that, click on browse, and then we add the eco-friendly water bottle there. Then it is saved and updated. So once we go back onto our website, you refresh, and then the water bottle should appear here. And there we are. We have our bottle here. Click on it. You can choose the capacity, the color, and you have your description here as well. Alright. So that's gonna end part 1 of how to create your Shopify store quick and easy. I'm gonna upload part 2 very soon. Thanks for watching.